Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, Nigerian Fuji star Alabi Pasuma wins Best International Music Video Award at the Hollywood and African prestigious award HAP Awards that held in California on Sunday. Let's check out the story. Fuji Maestro Alabi Pasuma has again added an international award to his long list of awards at the 5th edition of the Hollywood and African prestigious award HAP Awards that held on October 24th at the famous Opium Theater in downtown Los Angeles, California. The HAP Awards is a 3-day event that started on Friday, October 22nd and ended on October 24th with a combination of activities including fashion, music night, and the APA International Business Roundtable. The Sunday Award Night, which is the award designated to bridge the cultural gap between Africa and the global community, had a lot of stars nominated from Nigeria. Also nominated was Red TV, the fast-paced lifestyle channel that puts Africa on the global stage and proudly associated with the United Bank for Africa with one of its production known as the Men's Club. Red TV had 5 nominations this year in different categories ranging from Best Actor in a TV Series for Ayola, Best Actress in a TV Series Sharon Oja, Best Supporting Actor in a TV Series Daniel Etim Effiong, and Best Supporting Actress in a TV Series Jasmine Mwangi. Other top celebrities nominated included Jumoke Odetola, an award-winning actress with over a decade contribution to the movie industry, and Lateef Adedimeji, who was nominated for his leading role in blockbuster movie Ayinla. Meanwhile, the African Fuji singer Pasuma, who was nominated for Best International Music Video and was also billed to perform live at the show on Sunday, won his award category. Pasuma, who announced this on his Instagram, said, "Alhamdulillah, we got the award. Another one added to the shelves. At HAPAwards, at Michael Blackson, at official Yinka Redeem, at official Pasuma_fans page, CEO Noah O, at I am Museri 15. Thank you guys, I really appreciate Nagodo." Let's check out Pasuma's speech after receiving the award.
My name is Pasuma Wanda. I sing Fuji music in my dialect Yoruba from Nigeria. I would like to say thank God for sparing my life and allowing me to be here tonight. And I would like to thank the organizers, the HAP Award, for giving me the opportunity as I'm getting this award here in California and America. Thank you so much, my fans, someone abroad. God bless you all.
And that's all the gist we have for you today on Plug TV Live. Remember to like and subscribe before you go.